Okay, today I'm gonna show you guys how I change my Android phone home screen. I'm gonna customize it with Nova Launcher from this to this. In order to customize my home screen, I need to download 4 apps from the Play Store. First one is Nova Launcher. The second one is KWGT Kustom Widget Pro. And the third one is the Feast KWGT Custom Pack. And the fourth one is the icon packs called Guilt, GUILT_. Okay, all these the link I'll list it down under the description. Okay, so after you install all 4 apps, the first thing first, you need to change your launcher to Nova Launcher. Alright, then hold on the home screen, go to the settings, under Nova Launcher, go to home screen, change the desktop grid to 8x8. The reason is I want to get the equal distance of all the icons. Hit done. Next, I'm gonna adjust the icon size to the smallest, which is 70%. And then I'm gonna off the dock because I want to have the cleanest home screen setup possible. Okay. The next one also, I'm gonna off the page indicator also for the same reason. Alright, then we go under look and feel to change the icon. The icon I'm using, icon pack that I'm using is called Guilt. Alright, apply, go out, and that's it. Then the next thing is to change the wallpaper. Hold on the home screen again, click on wallpapers, click on this one. This artwork you actually can download also from the link from my description below. Just set the wallpaper for home screen. The next step is to place the 9 most frequent used apps icon on the home screen. Alright, I'm gonna go for, let's see, Snapseed, paste it here. Next one is file manager. The next one, gallery. Right. Alright, there you go. Okay, the last thing I need to do is to place the widget. Alright, the widget, the way that you apply the widget is you hold on the screen and you tap on the widgets and you add the KWGT widget. Okay, go scroll down. Okay, just place any size onto the home screen, hold on it, resize. Okay, this size. Okay, and after that you tap on it, it will launch KWGT. Okay, the custom pack that I'm gonna use is it's called Feast. Alright, Feast KWGT. Click on it, look for Feast 029. which is this one. Click on it. Alright, as you can see, it's bigger than the area that we set earlier on. But don't worry, we're gonna adjust the size. We go to layer. Now the scale is 100. We're gonna change it to 60. Right, and I'm gonna edit and remove and change some of the items in this widget. Okay, the first thing I want to do is I want to remove the search icon here. Search icon, delete. Okay, the rest is fine. I'm gonna move down since the Monday is cropped. I need to highlight and select all items. Alright, and press move and bring it down and save. Okay, I'm gonna change the neon green to the color that appear on the hour, which is on the wheel. I'm gonna go under globals, which is the neon green here. I'm gonna change it to orangey color. Alright, that's great. Save it. There you go. Alright, so the final thing I want to do is to apply an action when I press on the date here, like Monday 30th. When I press on it and click on it, it will launch calendar. Alright, when I click on the time, it will launch a clock. Okay, go inside, click on it, look for Monday, which is here. Go under touch, add an action, click on it, select action, launch app, select Google Calendar, this one, save. Okay, next one is under the time, touch again, add action, launch app, select clock. Right, save. There you go. So every time I press on the Monday, you will launch the Google Calendar. And then when I press the time, you will launch the clock. Alright, and it's very useful. So basically, it's complete. So it looks much interesting right now, and hopefully in the future I'm gonna make more video on how to customize on a different layout and design on the Android phone. Bye guys.